How to fix nightlight settings disabled in Windows. For the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. So make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. You can also go to the NVIDIA, AMD or Intel website to download your graphics card software, and then through your software, make sure that you have the latest drivers installed for your graphics card. For the next method, you want to reset your graphics driver. To do that, you want to press on the Windows key, Control, Shift and B all at the same time on your keyboard. Windows key, Control, Shift and B. Your screen's going to flash like that, which will then reset your graphics driver. See if that works. For the last method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is up to date. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.